Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat not working. So if you open up your Snapchat, you try to send snap to somebody or it's just not functioning properly. In that case, probably it's not working due to your Snapchat being not updated. So go inside our app store and search for Snapchat to see if there's any new update available or not. So my Snapchat says open, that means it's up to date. But in your screen, if it shows you update, click on it to update your Snapchat. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then try to check your internet connection. Because if your internet connection is slow, when you try to send snap to some of your friends, it's not going to be sent due to the slow internet connection. So check that as well. And if your internet is also not the problem, the next thing you can do is just, delete your Instagram app and reinstall it again. If you delete and reinstall the app, all the bug that was in your app is going to be deleted, and once you download the new Snapchat app, it should work. And let's say you did all of the thing and still your Snapchat app is not working properly. In that case, Snapchat server might be facing an issue, or they might be offline because they are trying to fix a problem in their server. And to know if their servers are offline or not, you can just go to your browser, and from your browser you want to search for this: is Snapchat down detector. Once you search for it, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Snapchat down or not working down detector. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you if it is working or not. So it says user reports indicate no current problem at Snapchat, which means Snapchat is facing no problem right now. So any issue is with my Snapchat and my device. And by following all the steps which I just showed you in the beginning, your problem should be fixed. And the last thing you need to do is make sure to go inside our setting and scroll all the way down until you see Snapchat. Once you see Snapchat, just click on Snapchat and make sure your microphone and camera option is on. Alright, if it is off as well, that could also cause the problem. Make sure that's on and your problem should be fixed. So hit the subscribe to our channel for future videos just like this.